3-point bridge. It's a similar setup to when we do the prep for the crab. You can bring both hands back behind you, just in line with the hips, but then the arm you're starting with is going to turn behind you, the fingers, and then resting there. The shoulders over the hand. Your feet are wide apart. Push down with that supporting arm and try to take the hips off the floor. That might be where you are right now. So you can practice that. Push down, shoulders over the wrist, lift the hips. Maybe you need to come back down. And those fingers and the hand might need to be subtly changed in that direction as you lift up. Try both hands. The eventual point where we want to be, you use the free hand in front of your face. So as you push down, hips start to lift, similar to the crab, but then that hand goes up behind you. Shoulders still over the wrist, hips are high, and I'm looking at that thumb. 3-point bridge. Coming back down, keeping that shoulder over the wrist. Again, as you practice this, you may be able to get to a point where you can lift the hips slightly, a little higher. Maybe the hand goes up into the air. From the other side, your dominant arm may be a stronger arm. So therefore, fingers are pointing away, locking out that elbow, shoulders over the wrist so you can push down to lift the hips. You're just testing how the body, how the joints and the shoulders feel in that position. If you feel comfortable and safe, push down, lift the hips higher. Maybe you can take the hand straight over immediately. Coming back down. For some, you'll be in that halfway position, arm in the air, or hovering anywhere in between. This one will take time, strength in one arm rather than two for the crab. The crab, we push both hands down and have the hips up. Take your time, don't rush. Work through each little progression and enjoy.